Who doesn't love a limited edition thing? And today I have something really cool. So this is the Nothing Phone 3A Community Edition. And only 1000 of these exist in the entire world. And somehow, out of nowhere, Nothing decided to send me one. So let's unbox this because, from the colors to the design, this is nothing like the Nothing phones we are used to. So let's unbox it because I can't wait. Alright, jumping straight into the unboxing. So from the box, you can see the colors. The turquoise type of color with a hint of pink and yellow here and there. Inside, we get another box, and here is the device. But here are the name of the people who worked with the Nothing team from the community. There are a lot of things went to this community edition, and shout out to everyone who worked on this crazy project. Well, apart from the device, in the box we have a USB-C to C cable. This is not transparent, so I'm a little bit disappointed, and the famous cute looking SIM ejector tool. Now, I can't wait to see the device. So here is the Nothing Phone 3A Community Edition for you. Now let's talk about the design, because this is where the Nothing Phone 3A Community Edition becomes a truly collector's item. Nothing is known for its monochrome minimalist vibe, but this one breaks all the rules in the best way possible. The design is actually inspired by the retro 90s gaming console, and you can see the influence instantly. The colorful elements, the playful vibe, the nostalgic energy. It feels like a tech throwback, but in a modern Nothing style. And then this, the transparent back with the frosted glass panel. This is easily one of the coolest transparent design I have seen in a while. It diffuses the colors beautifully, gives the phone a premium soft finish, and still keeps Nothing's signature design language. It's unique, it's bold, and because only 1000 people will own it, it genuinely feels special. And the frosted glass doesn't just look good, it actually changes how the Glyph light behaves. Instead of the sharp direct glow we are used to, the light gets diffused through the frosted glass, makes it softer, more even, and honestly, way more aesthetic. It gives the Glyph interface a subtle, almost ambient look, not flashy, not aggressive, just smooth, calm, and premium. The way the Glyph light glows softly through the back panel looks so cool. It's a small detail, but it completely elevates the design and makes the community edition feel even more special. So yeah, this is the Nothing Phone 3A Community Edition. And it's not just a phone, it's a statement. It's a reminder that tech doesn't always have to be about the biggest numbers, the specs, and things like that. Tech can be about creativity, about collaboration, about community, about the pure love of it. And honestly, the fact that only 1000 of this device exist in the entire world makes me feel genuinely lucky to hold one as myself. As a tech nerd, it's something like a collector's item for me. From the retro-inspired design, the frosted glass, the softly diffused Glyph lights, to the fact that people like you and me from the Nothing community worked on this project makes it way more intentional and personal. So yeah, as a tech nerd, this is something really valuable for me. And by the time I make this video live, I don't think it will be available anymore because the last Nothing phone, the community edition phone, was sold out entirely in just 15 minutes. So yeah, best of luck, and that's it for today's video. I am thinking about switching to this one because I would love to carry this all the time with me. This is something really special. Let's see how it goes, and if you have any question about this, do let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.